Hi, my name is Jared Miller. I'm in the Encon class. I'm going to show you how to run the Hyundai. When getting into the machine, use 3 points of contact of getting in. When you're in, put your seatbelt on. When you're ready to start the machine, you got your key, turn it one click. Wait for your glow plug light to go out. Should be somewhere on the dash. Turn the key the rest of the way to start the engine. You have a little knob over here. This is your throttle knob. I want to turn that all the way. And shut your door to the excavator. When you have your seatbelt on, there's a little red lever. That's your hydraulic lock lever. You can put that into the on position. Your right hand joystick is for your main boom and your bucket controls. Pull back on the right hand joystick. That will raise your main boom. Push down on the right hand joystick. That will lower your main boom. The right hand joystick to the left, that will curl your bucket. Push it to the right, that will dump your bucket. Your left hand joystick is your stick or dipper. Push it forwards, it'll push the dipper away. Pull back on the left hand joystick, that will bring your dipper in. Push right on your left hand joystick, it will spin the machine to the right. Push your left hand joystick to the left, it will spin left. And when you're ready to move, you have your two levers out in front. The right lever is for your right track, the left lever is for the left track. Push them both forwards, you'll go forwards. Push the right one forwards, you'll turn to the left. Push the left one forward, you'll turn to the right. Pull them both backwards, you'll go backwards. When you're ready to shut the machine down, put the bucket flat on the ground, idle the machine down, put your hydraulic lock in the lock position, let the machine idle down for a few minutes, and you can shut the machine off. Unbuckle your seat belt. Open the door to get out. Use 2 points of contact of getting out. That's that.